8:29:25. New water heater installed. Just turned on the water. You can hear it filling up. Make sure that is locked. Gotta strap that up. And then we'll turn on the pilot. That's the pilot. Press this down. Pilot. Oh, gotta hold this and click that. All right. Oh, won't work until I turn on the gas. Okay. Gas is on, got excited. Pressing the pilot. Maybe I have to take some of that insulation off to see if it's lit up. But I want to continue the video to see if it works. Oh, there's the window there. Check out the window. I don't see nothing in there red. Oh, there's a flame. Oh my gosh, I see the flame. Where is that beautiful flame? Come back. Oh, it's on. All right. It's alive. So it's a moment of truth. Let's turn this baby to the on position. Should have a fire extinguisher here. Should also check that for leaks. But I see it. It just has to. Let's turn off this light here. You can't see it because the phone has its light. But the pilot's on, but the main gas burner is not on. Oh. So that's good. Now I gotta turn this to hot. Low. Ooh, you can see the fire on. Wow, it's alive. We're cooking. Woohoo! So exciting. We're gonna have hot water. Cover this bad boy back up. All right, so I bought this. I bought something like this, and it's sitting over there side of the house on Facebook Marketplace. And the person said $100. I worked it down to $75, and then I worked it down to $50. Then I got there, then I paid him $65 because he was so helpful. And then it turns out that it doesn't fit my place. Then what happened after that is he said, hey, I got another water heater for you. Turns out that he's a plumber. Very helpful plumber. Answer all my questions while I'm debating this and debating that and trying to make a lot of decision. And he said, since you bought the other one, it doesn't fit. He wanted $240 for this, worked it down to $220, and when I got it there, he talked me down to $160. And I'm like, no, let me give you more. Anyways, this plumber is like a lifesaver for me today. So I'd like to do a shout out for Roberto, the plumber. He is awesome. Soon I will have hot water. Thank you so much, Roberto. So tonight, strap that in and then tighten that up. Once it gets hot, I'm going to put some of that metal tape on there, and then it's a done deal. Ta-da! Oh, and then that pressure relief valve, install that, and then we're good. All right, Riskeralot.